Sambonani, Tobela, Dumelang, Goeiedag, Molweni, Nda, and good day to all of you campeones, champions out there. And familia, welcome to the Finance and Business Show right here at KINGinme. And fam, I'm super stoked and pumped and excited to come and share with all of you namhlanje today. All right, so if you are a young person and you are looking to start a business or a non-profit organization, okay, or perhaps a ministry, then fam, this video is most definitely for you, because we are going to be talking about one specific must-have key that every successful business has. And the key is this: very simple, very basic, so simple that we sometimes miss it, because let's be honest, sometimes the basics are a bit boring, but the basics are the absolute essentials at the end of the day. So here's the key. Are you ready? Drum roll. The key is one word, and that one word is management. Come on, management. One more time. Management. Type it over there in the comment section if you would. Okay, management. And right here in my pocket, I've got a 100 Rand note. Iklipa, yabon lendab. All right, Madibas, the blue one. Okay, now this is the key, fam. If I am unfaithful with this 100 Rand note, if I misuse this 100 Rand note, how on earth can I expect God, the creator of the universe, the author of life, all right, to send me more if I misuse this? Okay, but the opposite is also true. When I am faithful over the little, God will make us ruler over much. When we are faithful over the little, God will make us ruler over much. Fam, you must understand, right? You must understand that good management invites prosperity. Good management invites promotion. Good management produces influence. And good management ultimately leads to greater transformation. So fam, at the end of the day, let us be faithful with what we have. Because sometimes, Yazin, we want more, but we are misusing what we currently have, or maybe not even using what we currently have. So fam, learn to maximize the minimum. All right, one more time. Learn to maximize the minimum, because it boils down to management. Why? Because all the resources, the silver, the gold, everything belongs to uNkulunkulu yena. Everything belongs to God. All right? And when we learn to manage well, the more will be entrusted to our care. Fam, that's it for today. If you have found if you have found value in this particular video, go ahead and hit that sharp sign, that like button over there. All right? Let us know also where you are watching from today. Let us know over there in the comment section down below. And hey, if you've got any specific questions, drop them down below in the comment section, and we will get back to you in our best possible way. All right, consider subscribing as well namhlanje, and just know today namhlanje Guti, your voice matters.